guys, it's the Velvet Locks with another video. Now please excuse my location, okay? But this seems to be the only place in the house that I have that is not cluttered. Now right now, as you all know, I'm in the middle of moving because I'm selling my home, alright? So other sister don't have no place to record, alright? I have this wonderful banana smoothie. Now this banana smoothie is not only delicious, but it's going to give you that rapid extreme weight loss, okay? And it also is a meal replacement. So for those of you who are small eaters like me or really don't have much of an appetite, this is perfect, okay? You can really get full off of this and still, okay, be on your journey and don't have to worry about going overboard on the pounds, because this is for weight loss. So if you're trying to get rid of several pounds of that excess tummy fat, this delicious banana smoothie is going to do it for you. This smoothie is definitely serving as a meal replacement. And to make this great tasting smoothie, all you're going to need is 5 ingredients. Easy. And what this is going to do, it's going to stimulate your intestines. It's going to make you feel full, and it's going to stimulate the breakdown of fat. Now, even though this drink says banana smoothie, it also has other wonderful ingredients in there as well. What you're going to need is 1 banana, 1 orange, 1 apple, 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice, and 1/3 cup of water. So let's go in the kitchen and start making this delicious smoothie, okay? Because I'm hungry. Alright you guys, so we are back in the kitchen and now we're ready to put our ingredients in. Okay, so like I mentioned, we're going to be using 1 banana. Alright, so all you're going to do is plop everything inside of your blender. Okay, what I want to do first is put in our 1/3 cup of water. It makes it easier for you to blend all of the ingredients in. Okay, next we're going to be using 1 whole apple. Okay, 1 whole apple. And what I'll probably do is slice it up and pre-blend them at a time. Depending on your blender or processor, you'll know exactly. I had to change my blender because, you know, that Hamilton Beach is not working. It's not doing the job. So I got my NutriBullet, my Old Faithful. Alright, so I just transferred everything into my NutriBullet cup. So far I got 1 banana and 1 apple. Okay, next you're going to take your orange and you're going to peel it. Now I should have already had this pre-peeled for the video, but you know. Alright, so we're just going to peel this real fast, and then we're going to put our whole orange also inside of our NutriBullet cup. Okay, we're going to put that in there, and then normally you would use 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Okay, but I'm lazy today. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of my real lemon juice. Okay, so after you put your orange in your blender, we're going to measure up 1 teaspoon. Okay, and now we're going to continue blending this up. Okay, put your top back on. Alright, and now you're done. And this looks really good. It smells wonderful. Look how nice and oh, it smells wonderful. Now this is definitely a meal replacement. This is so thick. And let me tell you, to make this even more powerful, you can add your chia seeds in there. You can add your protein powder in there. Okay, and this is what it looks like. It looks so delicious. Alright, so here we go. This is really good. It tastes tropical. You taste your orange, you taste your bananas. It tastes so good, you guys. I gotta make that more often. That's delicious. Okay? Delicioso. So if you guys want to have so just remember, this is considered a meal replacement. Okay? I wouldn't recommend having this and a meal because it is very filling. Okay, very filling, especially if you're a light eater like myself. This is perfect. So your banana smoothie, let me tell you guys, you are missing out on this one. This is my favorite. You don't need to add any sugar, nothing. So that's it, you guys. This delicious, wonderful smoothie. I'm telling you, you're going to enjoy it. You're going to lose weight. You're going to feel good. You're going to feel full. And you're going to look good, okay? It is delicious. And I can tell you, you're going to probably want to make this more than once. So use it as a meal replacement. Use it as a snack, whichever way you want to. But it is wonderful, and you will not feel guilty about eating it, drinking it, because it is specifically going to help you lose that fat. So thank you so much for joining me. If you want to see more of these wonderful, great recipes that's going to help lose that weight, things that you can implement on your lifestyle journey, meals, meal replacements, a menu of different alternatives that you can implement into your journey. One day it could be this, next day it could be that, okay? You don't have to go out there and eat that crazy foods out there, the trans fats, all of the junk foods. You can have wonderful meals just straight from your refrigerator. Get your grocery list, buy your ingredients, blend them up, and when you feel hungry, you have a wonderful snack. All right? So yes, join me on the next videos. I got wonderful stuff coming your way. Stay tuned. Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So I'll see you in the next video.